Get the best benefits in tough environments with rugged, reliable, precise, true RMS clamp meters from Fluke. Diagnose problems with reliable results in tough environments. Measure AC and DC voltage, AC current, resistance, and continuity. True RMS measurements and optimized ergonomics make the 320 series clamp meters the best general troubleshooting tools for commercial and residential electricians. Ideally suited for current measurements up to 400 amps in tight cable compartments, the features include 400 amp AC current measurements, 600 volt AC and DC voltage measurements, true RMS AC voltage, and current for accurate measurements and non-linear signals. Resistance measurements up to 40,000 ohms with continuity detection. Slim ergonomic design, Cat 4 300 volt or Cat 3 600 volt safety rating, hold button, 2-year warranty, and a soft carrying case. Check this off your engineer's wish list along with other great Fluke products at Newark Element 14.